Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Binance application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open Binance application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From this page, scroll all the way down to Settings and tap it on. From the Settings menu, tap on the Language button. Here, you can go ahead and select from the multiple language choices if you want to change the language for your Binance application. Select the language of your choice and give it a tap. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your language for Binance application using iPhone. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.